At this point in the chart, would you buy, sell, or wait? Take 5 seconds to think. You can pause the video and take a closer look at the chart. To better understand the chart, let's draw a trend line. We will draw the support and resistance zones by connecting the price highs and lows. We will wait for one of these zones to break. The price has hit the support zone several times but has not broken through it. Here, the trend line and resistance have been broken. After breaking through the trend line and resistance, we see that the price is pulled back. We open a long trade. We set the risk-to-reward ratio to 2. We also place a stop below the last price low. The price has reversed again and pulled back to the trend line, but it has not reached the last price low. Congratulations! You can see that you were able to profit from the market using this method. The secret to success in trading financial markets is to look closely and trade with a few simple lines. Trade with me. Here are some additional things to consider. What other technical indicators could be used to confirm the trade? What is the overall market sentiment? How much risk are you willing to take? Remember, trading is a risky activity and there is no guarantee of success. Always do your own research and trade with caution.